Vision, commitment, initiative and sincerity are the key to success of any venture. Opex, a Bangladeshi conglomerate on ready-made garments, textiles and accessories manufacturing company, has proved this in 2.5 decades of a prosperous journey. It has emerged into one of the largest manufacturers, suppliers and distributors of men's, women's and children's clothing in South and Southeast Asia. Opex has set up ready-made garments and textile industries with composite knit factories in 4 massive industrial complexes in Bangladesh, 1 in Dhaka and 3 in the outskirts of Dhaka. As one of the key players in main export-orientated sectors of ready-made garments in Bangladesh, Opex has obtained worldwide reputation for its quality, competitive price, shortest lead times and committed to social and all compliance requirements of its customers. It is committed to maintain the highest and ethical environment for its employees, workers and customers by world compliance standard. Apart from contributing into the country's economy, Opex has created jobs for around 50,000 people and it is playing a commendable role to social service. In less than 26 years, Opex has become one of the country's biggest and most successful industrial ventures. It is a privately owned company with an annual turnover of $350 million and the annual export is about $250 million. Opex started its journey in 1985 with only 4 production lines and a daily capacity of 3,000 pieces of ready-made garments. Now it has a total of 300 production lines, including 44 knit production lines, with a capacity of over 220,000 pieces of ready-made garments per day. The company now uses over 18,000 state-of-the-art technologies in sewing machines and 2,000 sweater machines. Opex works with some of the best customers in the US, Europe, Canada and Japan. Opex is committed to its valued customers has always been maintaining the highest achievable quality, the most competitive price, shortest lead time, the best environment for ethical sourcing exceeding world compliance standards. The company's manufacturing units are an example of the most modern factories. It covers 4 million square feet of area. The corporate office is in Dhaka, whilst it has liaison offices in the US, UK, Germany, and sourcing offices in China and Hong Kong. Mr. Anisur Rahman Sinha, the founder of Opex, made his vision reality by making the world-class company. For supporting the ready-made garment industry, Opex stepped into backward linkage in 1995 with a view of reducing lead time and to have better control of sourcing and quality. Opex today has the entire chain of backward linkage facilities for woven and knits, comprising of yarn spinning, fabric weaving, yarn dyeing, fabric dyeing, printing, washing and accessories. These machineries are of the finest quality from Europe and Japan. The merchandising teams in Opex consist of highly experienced professionals of a minimum 300 people from home and abroad. Opex has over 200 bottom lines which produce 150,000 pieces daily. These lines contain specialized machines to achieve perfection in quality. Opex has 48 shirt lines which produce 40,000 pieces daily. These lines are mostly equipped with Drog-Off-Alder sewing machines of Germany, fitted with servo motors and trimmers which ensures consistency in sewing. Collar, cuff, pocket making and setting, armhole fusing are all done with computer-controlled automatic machines. The 44 knit garment lines that are also present in Opex consist of 2,000 sewing machines, producing 60,000 pieces of t-shirt, polo shirts and fleece tops daily. The circular knit units are set up with very modern, state-of-the-art machinery of famous brand names like Terex, Mayer and Chi, etc. Opex also has its very own sweater factory, which is 100% export orientated. Its major production is on 12 gauge and has facilities in 10, 7, 5 and 3 gauge. Presently it is producing 10,000 pieces per day. Both dry and wet processing units include chemical spraying, laser blasting, flexi, crashing, post-cure wrinkle-free facilities are also available. Opex is one of the most modern denim washing facilities in the country, which is computer-controlled front-loading with a capacity of 100,000 pieces daily. Opex's fabric and garment manufacturing is quality inspected in every step of its production to maintain its high quality standard from yarn spinning to garment packing. Quality comes first is the motto of Opex, and this is implemented by over 2,050 quality control workers in the factories. Opex has been awarded for its performance of quality control and the most reliable supplier by many famous customers. Opex is also a proud recipient of the Gold Trophy in the annual National Exporter Awards for the last 16 years since 1996. In 2001, company chairman and CEO Mr. Anisur Rama Sinha was awarded Business Person of the Year in Bangladesh Business Awards. Opex has also established a massive project for denim production. The dyeing units are capable of dyeing 3 million yards of all types of fancy denim per month, including stretch and coated fabric, ranging from 4 ounce to 16 ounce per square yard. The finishing range is the only one of its kind in Bangladesh and can finish flat and over dyeing in one go. Compliance is a burning issue nowadays. Prominent buyers from different countries are emphasising on compliance standards. Opex is very responsible about their unique compliance standard. To enhance the compliance status of the whole group, it has a central compliance team to monitor all the compliance issues on a regular basis. Compliance is an issue regularly upgraded as per global requirement. The compliance Opex maintains are of child labour, forced labour, harassment and abuse, health and safety issues, wages and benefits, working hours, overtime, discrimination, environment. Opex is very serious about its commitment to the society, environment, as well as its huge workforce. To fulfill its commitment, they have established their own school and college, hospital, daycare centre for children, family and bachelor housing. Opex is an ethical and compliant company, putting its maximum emphasis on developing human values, qualities of human life, and comfort of the work environment.